Hey guys, sorry I left you hanging. The curls they come out a little bit better this morning. But here's the thing, right? Over here is not how I want it to look, while over here looks real good. Over here is tea, right? As you guys know, I'm just getting into the not wig influencing, the wig installing. So I'm learning, but I wish I didn't use this wig because my husband said something last night. He said maybe you should have practiced on a not so expensive wig. Maybe I shouldn't have. Well, it's not even practice. I literally wanted the wig installed for this weekend. But yeah, rate me down in the comments below. How do you guys think I did on the install? I curled it, and when I tell you I curled it and the curls them came out bouncing. Okay, TikTok, those who were on my live last night, they were raving. They were like, yo, the curls are curling. Okay, the wig is wigging. The wig looks so good. We are going to a hotel, or a boutique hotel, by the name of Colors Jamaica. We are just going to de-stress, and you know we're going to de-stress. So just coming to update you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I got me a smoothie at my location. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. One refresher smoothie, okay? One, all right? Good morning. Listen, my look mush up. It is now 10:23 Saturday morning. I've been sleeping, okay? We went to our bed after 11 last night. We were chilling outside for the most part. And just, enjoying each other's company, enjoying the night breeze, enjoying the peace and the quiet, and yeah. Today is very overcast. It's very overcast down here today. But Bobby says we're still gonna aim to do something. I just had breakfast. They had callaloo and fried dumpling. It was good. It wasn't enough. I could have eaten more, but it's okay. It's alright. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face and brush my teeth and pull down my hair and show you guys. Last night I did do some fixing up of the lace. So let's hope the fixing up did go well. Alright guys, let's see what this hair looks like. I didn't remember to carry no oil or anything, so I don't have oil. Let's pull this down first. Listen, I tried to put the lace back down last night, and the lace, it just didn't tell one time, but as my husband said, I'm learning something new. So because I'm learning something new, it's going to be a bit difficult. Alright. I love it. I just love how it looks. It has some layers. The layers would eat. Oh my gosh, if I had some layers, man. And it framed my face. I'm gonna go in and fix this and then call it a day. I don't think we're doing much today. Baby, what are we doing today? Yeah, we'll probably just find a beach and go chill out, so. Outfit of the day. Everything sheen. Guys, we were gonna go to Turtle Bay beach, but the look of the beach does not look good. And the waves are way too rough. And there's nobody, it would only be me and my husband down there. So we can't even chance going in the water because anything can happen and nobody's there. So the water was way too rough. Guys, definition of relaxation, okay? Do I need to go back to reality? I don't want to. How's the burger? Tastes good?
Very good. Look very good. You look very bougie. Very, very bougie. These chair, yeah. It look extremely bougie.
Well, you made the bouginess possible. You made the bouginess possible. Good morning. We are getting ready to leave. It's Sunday morning. It's probably like after 11 or so. We're getting ready to leave. Hold on, let me put you guys somewhere close. Yeah, that's better. We're getting ready to leave. I have to get back home because I have a project to do for Jamil for school tomorrow, a clock project. And make sure their uniforms are ironed, and make sure AJ's uniform is ironed, and just overall just prepare them for school, prepare AJ for school on Monday, because Jamil is still out of school. So yeah, I never knew that I would become the girl that is using body oil in Jamaica. I always see people using body oil and I'm like, yo, it's too hot for that. But really and truly, when you put it on, it doesn't feel, at least for me, when I put it on, I don't feel hot and heavy or anything. It actually makes my skin just glisten, and you know, but I just put on a little. I don't try to put on a lot. I need to get more of these sets in different colors. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm hungry, and then I'll call you guys back later.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful, the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life. Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this